Martin Nwamanya was born with HIV. He's been on antiretroviral drugs all his life and is now healthy. After taking regular medication, Martin cannot transmit the virus anymore, but he's struggled to find a life partner due to his HIV status.
It's basically because when you approach someone who is not living with the virus, they will have that fear. And somehow, even the people living with the virus I don't know, they have this thing of, we all have problems. So let's not combine two problems. They would rather get someone who is not living with the virus. So it's really funny out there.
Martin believes the new drug to prevent HIV will help shift attitudes towards people living with the virus, especially those who wish to live in a discordant relationship. That's when one partner has HIV, but the other does not.
Even now, like I told you, if I am to get a marriage partner, this is an injection someone would have to take only twice a year, okay? And they would be sure of protection from HIV. So even discordant relationships would thrive more because of such a drug.
Uganda was among the countries that took part in the research, where the drug proved more than 99% effective in HIV prevention. But many people won't be able to afford the $40 cost of each dose. The latest figures show Uganda recorded 37 new HIV infections in 2024. Authorities say the injectable drug could redefine how the world prevents HIV among at-risk groups like sex workers, discordant couples, or young girls.
We estimate that about 20% of pregnant and lactating mothers are at risk of acquiring the new infections. And the chair told you that we've not monitored mothers, when they come in for the first antenatal, visit, many of them are HIV negative. But by the time, when we keep monitoring them, by the time they deliver or during the lactating period, they seroconvert and become HIV positive. And again, the factors are what we've talked about. Either she's not open her HIV status, to her spouse. So for fear, violence, gender-based violence and others, the source may be the spouse.
Uganda is among top 10 countries globally burdened with the disease, the reason it was selected to receive the doses. With 1.4 million people living with HIV in Uganda, this life-saving drug could significantly offer solutions to ending HIV/AIDS by 2030. But health industry experts say the government will need to step up efforts and provide more funding to the program. Isabel Nakiria, CGTN Kampala, Uganda.